Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll explore the powerful Select Assistance feature for programming complex 3D surface parts in WireEDM. This time-saving tool automates contour detection while maintaining precision perfect for intricate geometries. We'll be working on the AG Shamil's Cut P550 watch as we start with surface selection in the programming interface. First, let's see traditional manual selection. With Select Assistance disabled, each segment requires individual clicking to build a complete contour, a time-consuming process for complex parts. Now, we'll enable Select Assistance. Watch how a single click automatically detects the entire closed loop, dramatically reducing programming time while eliminating selection errors. After confirming the selection, we'll define the optimal entry point at the geometric center, ensuring balanced machining conditions across the contour. Moving to the wizard, you can directly access the required page, set the necessary parameters, and then calculate and confirm the settings. For simulation, we'll define our stop boundaries by selecting two diagonal points. This establishes the material dimensions for collision checking. The final step simulation, observe how the system visualizes the wire's movement, verifying there are no collisions and the path matches our design intent perfectly. That's the power of Select Assistance for 3D surfaces. For more advanced WireEDM techniques, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.